Good morning, guys, from the other side. That is from Kitengela, Kenya. Oh man, this place is even farther than Rongai. Yeah, so it's on a Saturday today, and I'm still going to walk. Oh man, walk. Yep. Otherwise, it's a beautiful day. You know, sunny, beautiful day. And I hope today I'm going to get some work done. So on my way to pick someone, and then I'll be headed to work. Then later, maybe I might go home, I might not. We'll see. This is the type of road that will destroy a car. It looks flat, but it's bad. It may look like a flat road, but it's very, very bad, man. I don't know what they were thinking. I don't know what these engineers were thinking. Oh, it's very flat. It looks very flat, but it's extremely bumpy road. So looking for a lane. What's up, guys? Oh man, I need to apologize for not bringing the videos that you're expecting, but it's because I've been busy, guys, and you know, sometimes you gotta focus on work, but I still need to bring you guys these videos. That's why I'm doing this at night. So currently it's 7:16, you know, and I'm on my night drive. I've decided to take some time to talk to you guys. I've had a beautiful day. As usual, man, I'm enjoying my life. Like I told you guys, enjoy every single moment of your life. Remember that. That's free advice. I'd like to thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, man. I promise you guys it's gonna be awesome time watching videos in this channel. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna bring you some awesome content. Just keep on believing in me, and one time it's gonna be a bomb. It's gonna be bomb content, man, and you're gonna be one of the OGs, the original people watching this channel. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much again. Thank you. So I'm currently in Kitengela. You know, I'm doing a night delivery run. It's something I need to deliver, but at least you can see, as usual, I got a full tank of gas. That's all I ever needed, man. That's all I ever needed. All I ever needed, a gas tank full. Thanks, man. So guys, the real question I have for you is, do you prefer driving at night or driving during the day? Please leave a comment below with your answer. I would really appreciate it. And then in the next video, I'm gonna reveal to you like what I prefer, driving at night or driving during the day. Thank you guys for watching this short video. I really appreciate you, and I really apologize for today's video being short. Thank you so much.